Hello guys, here I am with another iOS 16 video. In this video, I will show you how to change your GPS location on iPhone. There are many occasions in your life when you do not want to share your original location. At that time, you want to change the location on your iPhone so the person on the other side see the spoof location, not your original one. By following this video, you will know how to change your GPS location on iPhone. To change the location on iPhone, I will be using the UltFone iOS location changer. Here is the official product page of the UltFone iOS location changer. As you can see the main highlights, you can change the location to anywhere with just one click. Most of the users nowadays want to change the location on the social media. So you can change the location on the social media apps like Facebook or WhatsApp along with the Pokémon Go. More on that later. The UltFone iOS location changer supports the latest iOS 16 version as well on all the devices. You can fake the location on social media, bypass geolocation, change location on the dating apps as well, and hide the iPhone location. This product is available for both Mac and Windows. You can download it from the link given below in this video's description. I already have downloaded it, installed it, and activated it. Here is the easy to use and understandable interface. Here are the four main options. One is to change the location on your iPhone. The second one is the single spot movement changer. The third one is multi-spot movement changer. And the last one is joystick. I will show you all of them one by one, so follow me in this video. First, go to the first option. Here it will ask you to connect your device with the computer. So connect your device. I will put my device at the side of this software on the screen so you can see what is happening on my device. As you can see, my device is now connected. Here, just click on the next button. Now give some time to the iOS location changer. Keep your device unlocked and connected to the PC. After a little while, as you can see, the things are now ready to roll. First, I will show you how you can change the GPS location on your iPhone. Let me just open the Maps application. As you can see, my current location is now selected. To change the location, go to the UltFone iOS location changer and at the top right corner, put in the location you want to show on your device. Type the location you want to show on your device to the other people and click on the search button. First, it will find the location on your computer. Once it finds that, then click on this blue start button. Once you do that, on your device, tap on this current location arrow and you will see the spoof location on your device, and it is the same location now which will be shown from your device to the others. Whether you are using any other apps or make posts from them, this location will be shown. This is how to change the GPS location on your iPhone. Now I will show you the other parts of this software which are really helpful while playing the location based game. For example, Pokémon Go or any other location based games. I have installed one, so let me show you that in this. Click on the back button on the software and you will go to the main interface. Let's just follow the single spot route first. Click on the second option. Now again, connect your device if it's not connected, and again click on the next button. At the meantime, open the game you want to change the route on. As you can see on my device, I have opened the game. On this screen, type the location you want to change to and click on the search button. Once it finds it on the software, just tap on this blue start button. On your device, it will take just a little while to change the location. You will see once it does that. As you can see, the location is now changed. Now before clicking on the start to move button, you can also increase the speed of the player. From this bar, you can change the speed, and at that speed your player will run. Now this is the single spot movement. There is also an option for the multi-spot movement, where you can select multiple routes at the same time, and once you start that, your player will go through all those selected routes. Let me just show you that. On the UltFone iOS location changer, click on the back button and go to this third option. Now once you go here, click on the checkbox and click next. Now again, connect your device with the computer. Go to the next screen. Now here, to make the route on the multiple spots, just select the multiple spots on the screen. Simply click on the different spots and it will make the route between those spots. After that, you can select the speed at what pace you want your player to run. Let me just increase it a bit so you can see the clear difference how it goes. Just click on the start to move button. As you can see on the game, the player is moving fast. It will go through all the spots selected throughout this route. This is how you can change GPS location on your iPhone using the UltFone iOS location changer. This is the time when you do not want to share your original location, but this is how you can change the GPS location on your iPhone. If you have any question, please leave a comment below in this video so I can answer that. Moreover, you will find the download link to this software in this video's description below. Hello guys, if you have made this far in this video and you are enjoying this video, hit the like button so that the YouTube push my video to the other people. Also hit the subscribe button for more iOS related videos. iOS 16 has just arrived. I will be uploading a series of the videos on iOS 16, so make sure you are connected to me. Thank you for watching.